Think photography gear has to break the bank? Think again. Today we're diving into 5 must-have photography accessories under $50 that'll instantly level up your shots without emptying your wallet. Hey photo friends, welcome back to Photo Hacks 101, the channel where we make photography fun, affordable, and frustration-free. If you love learning new tips and tricks and gear hacks, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a shot, literally. Let's get to it. Let's start small, literally, with a mini tripod. Perfect for travel, vlogging, or those late night long exposures when you don't want your camera to take a nap in the dirt. You can grab sturdy, flexible ones for around $20, and they'll make your shots rock steady without, the rocks. Next up, nothing ruins a great shot like a smudged lens. A lens cleaning kit is a must. For under $15, you get microfiber cloths, a blower, and cleaning solution. Remember, fingerprints belong on selfies, not on your glass. Ever tried taking a self-portrait and sprinting into position before the timer runs out? Yeah, we've all been there. A remote shutter release, wired or wireless, lets you snap without touching your camera. Great for long exposures, group shots, and pretending you have an assistant. Number 4 is a total game changer, a portable reflector. For about $30, you can control light like a pro, brighten faces, soften shadows, or even use the black side to tone things down. It's basically portable sunshine you can fold up and stash in your bag. Finally, the unsung heroes, extra memory cards and batteries, because nothing kills creativity faster than a memory full or battery low warning. Trust me, carrying extras will save your shoot and your sanity. So to recap, your under $50 dream team includes a mini tripod, lens cleaning kit, remote shutter release, reflector, and extra memory card and batteries. Which of these accessories do you already have? And which one's next on your list? Drop your answers in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your fellow shutterbugs, and subscribe for more Photo Hacks 101 gear guides and photo tips. See you next time, and remember, keep shooting, keep learning, and keep it light.